The #1 AI skill your kids must learn for 2026 isn't coding, it's not even prompt engineering. It's critical challenge, the one skill that will separate those who are controlled by AI from those who use it to win.
I don't get it.
Right now, our kids are being trained to treat AI and all computers like the Oracle, a black box that gives the perfect answer, and this is incredibly dangerous. In this video, I'll show you why this is happening and the 3-step challenge first methods to teach your kids and why the old habit of Googling is just making the problem worse. To be clear here though, Google isn't just losing out to AI, it's losing because it's annoying. As a busy parent, I just don't have time for this. I ask a simple question and I get a wall of ads and sponsored posts. I have to scroll past all these sponsored links just to find the first real link, which then takes me to a blog that's also covered in ads. We all have search fatigue. We just want the answer.
Why does everything have to be so complicated?
To understand why this is a revolutionary shift, you have to understand the fundamental difference between a search engine and an answer engine. Think of it this way. For 20 years, Google has been the librarian of the internet. You go to a librarian and you ask, can you tell me about the best family holiday spots? The librarian doesn't tell you what those spots are. They'll hand you a list of 10 books, or 10 links in Google's case, and say, the answer is probably in one of these.
Good luck to you.
And in Google's current form, it's the answer's probably in one of these, but here's a bunch that have paid us more first. Google's entire job is to be a directory, to send you somewhere else. That's the whole business model. It's built on you clicking away on those sponsored links. Now, on the other side, an answer engine is a researcher. You could ask that researcher the same question, and the researcher goes and reads all of those 10 books for you, synthesizes all the key information, and comes back with a single clean summary. Here are the top 3 holiday spots, their pros and cons, and their average price. And best of all, it will do it in the format that you tell it to. It gives you the answer, not a list of options. Its goal is for you to never have to click a link at all. Now, this is a vastly better experience, but this whole new zero-click future comes with a hidden cost and hidden risks, and it's a big one. Here's the catch that no one's really talking about. I've just had a moan about Google, but at least Google gives you options. It gives you 10 different links, 10 different sources that you can have a click on and go and have a look at for yourself and decide for yourself. Generally, when you ask AI a question, it will give you one answer. So AI gives you one answer, often with very little transparency, and again, often with no sources. It's the same gatekeeping power, just with a new interface. And here's the scary part. It delivers that one answer with 100% confidence, even when it's 100% wrong.
Listen to me, you're wrong. And if you don't get it, I feel sorry for you.
AI hallucinations have gotten way better, dropping from over 20% down to less than 1% now, but that's still not zero. I see it all the time when I'm researching for my prediction videos, for example. It will cite players for their old teams, managers that have been long sacked for the clubs. And this then creates the new digital divide. The old divide was a have or a have not one. It was about who had internet access and who didn't. This one, while still a have and have not one, is about who has the critical thinking skills to challenge what the AI says and who doesn't. And this is especially critical for our kids. They're trained to trust the authority voice of the computer. Now, when AI gives them an answer for their homework help, for example, they're not going to question it. They're going to trust the authority and take it as gospel. So what do? We can't stop this massive change. It's already here, but we can prepare our kids for it and help ourselves along the way. Now, this isn't about banning AI. It's not coming, it's already here and here to stay. This is about building a challenge-first mentality. Now, here are 3 new rules or guidelines that you could adopt to set yourselves and your kids up for success. Number 1, challenge first, trust later. The new rule here is simple. Always assume that AI's answer needs to be validated. If you can't see the source, ask for it. Which leads to number 2, treat it like an assistant, not an oracle of all given truth. An oracle gives you one divine answer, while an assistant goes and gets the answers for you. We need to teach our kids to treat AI like an assistant. Ask, what's the answer? Show me your sources and reasoning. And then for good measure, actually go and verify a couple of the links that's provided. Number 3, use AI as a thought partner. Now this is the most important skill. Don't let the AI do the thinking for you. Use it to make your own thinking better. Instead of asking it to write your essay, teach your kids to do the work first and then use AI to help improve it. What are the 3 arguments against my main essay point here? Help me brainstorm a better title for this. Challenge my conclusion. It's great for bouncing ideas off. Something I do at work all the time. Working from home, no direct colleagues, just to throw ideas off. I'll sit there and I'll throw ideas, ask for feedback, ask for different thinking, which allows me a soundboard to help develop my ideas and get instant feedback. Now this is a skill that will be valuable in their future, not just accepting the first answer, but using the tool to challenge their own ideas. And this is what will separate people and create that digital divide. Now the future of search isn't coming in 2030, it's already here and our kids are the first to adopt it. So is Google dying? Is the wrong question. The real question that we need to be thinking about is, are we teaching our kids the critical thinking skills they'll need when AI is their first stop for everything? Now, I'd love to know what you're already seeing in your home. Are your kids already using AI or TikTok or Instagram or whatever else more than Google? And what rules have you set that you find work? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you found this useful, hit that like and subscribe as well. And if you're a busy parent trying to navigate this new tech world and stay one step ahead, make sure to subscribe. We are all in this together, figuring it out one day at a time. Stay peachy.